Hey, I'm Sandra. Today we're looking at making one of these wine bottle holders. I'm going to show you how I did it myself. I started this one off by going through my scrap wood pile. I then measured out the length at 8.5 inches and the width at 2.5 inches. I then brought the wood over to the table saw to cut it down. Once I had the piece down to the correct size, I then brought it back over to the table saw to cut the two ends off at a 45-degree angle. Once this was done, I then grabbed the roundover bit from my router to finish off the edges. Now just note, I didn't round over the ends that were cut at a 45-degree angle. The reason for this is because you need this to be as flat as possible. The next step was to drill out a 1.5 inch wide hole. From here I then sanded everything smooth and tried to remove all of the burn marks from the table saw. Once I was satisfied with how smooth the wood was, I then used an ebony stain to darken up the wood. The last step was to add a clear coat of varnish. And just like that, you have a magical looking wine bottle holder.